National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 10:45 a.m. At 9:55 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Lenox, Mokena, and Madison, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Winfield, New Chicago, and Lake Dalecarlia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe